Wait, what the? Wait,
How am I gonna?
we're gonna do like
You shall
hole in one
suffer.
only, and
Oh no!
You shall suffer.
No, no. This is not gonna be.
so bad.
Yeah. This ain't good.
I'm telling you, this is gonna be so bad.
How am I supposed to get a freaking hole?
Ow, Josh!
Sorry. How do I reset? Oh, yeah, right, R.
Yeah, it's R. Oh, for.
Josh got it in.
Oh my god, this is gonna be. Okay, this is a little hard to do it. Little hard to do it. Little hard.
You have to put it in, like, just a little. There you go. Oh!
Oh, come on! I keep
I
rimming
want
it!
to play golf it.
Can I not rim it for 1 hour straight? Please!
Sometimes I missed you guys. I went to, I did
Finally.
once, like, when my sister was around, we went to, like, a light show. Like, you know, like, what they have, like, for Christmas stuffs.
Oh, come on!
Have you guys seen light shows, right? Like, where they have
Yeah, we don't
light-
care about them right now.
Oh, you guys don't? Okay. It's alright.
What? When pay attention. What?
It's fine. It's fine. You continue. What the heck? What the heck type of shot was that? That was weird.
That was your fault. That was your fault.
No, that wasn't my fault. That was
No, that was Josh's fault. He was distracting me.
no, that was your fault. You got it. You got such a strong hit. You just putted it right in it. You just put it off the map or something like that. And there you go. You and your rice hat.
Let me distract you more. We just went through.
Oh, I don't want a 3 chance.
Okay. This is bad.
Oh, dang!
No!
By the way, collision is on.
I wonder why. I wonder why it was on.
We both made it. Oh, double bogey.
Are you kidding me?
Sushi man. You could have made it.
What the hell? I hate you. No.
That's what I'm gonna be the first time.
I fucking hate you.
I just been watching Christmas movies.
Come on!
I might watch
yes,
one tomorrow.
finally!
Josh is beating us.
I don't
Wait.
care!
Oh, I don't know how to do this one.
Wait, what?
Oh, I got it.
Hold on, what? No. You're gonna reset.
Oh, yeah, right. I am. Oh,
There's gotta be a way to... There's gotta be a way.
What? Ow.
Damn it.
Damn it.
This is hard. Dude, what if the goal was behind us the whole time? We just doing this like idiots.
Oh,
For frick's sake!
what? Oh my god, I found the sweet spot! Guys!
Where? Where?
The flower spawn. Flower spawn. You see that? It's at the wall. It's at the wall.
I see it.
Like that?
Yeah, literally that. Oh my god, I didn't notice that sooner. Guys, I know where the hole actually is.
They're here. Wait, what?
I know where it actually is.
Dude, do not land directly center.
Wait, what?
I got it.
No. Oh. Nope.
Don't land directly center for the love of God.
Why not?
You'll miss and overshoot it.
Oh, I mean, there's literally no hole. It's only to the left or right.
Ha! I got it!
What?
I actually got it!
Oh.
But yeah,
it's
he's right.
there.
Don't go in the center.
Okay.
I really...
Like, why is there no wall here?
I think I might know the reason why.
What? He just hit it.
Goodbye. I hit it outside the map.
I I keep hitting it outside the map. I'm not going lighter. If we go lighter, we'll just... Yeah, see? Every time you're just gonna... It's just gonna keep resetting us. Oh! Oh, come on! It bounced me off. See?
Nope.
I'm trying to land on the ramp so that way I get some so I can roll down and hopefully I'll get it.
Oh, shit.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh, oh no!
What the heck, Tyson?
I think we're all.
Strokes.
I ran out of shots.
Wait. How many strokes do we have? I forgot.
I don't know. 12?
No.
Oh, that's why you...
I thought it was
Did
like
I?
15 or something.
Maybe I was up to 15, that was it. Oh, so that's how you do it. I didn't freaking do
Yeah,
it.
that's what I was trying to do too.
Jeez.
I wasn't. I was trying to go on the ramp. I was trying to go up, like, the ramp and then try to get it. So that would
I think this is
turn
my
and go
last
in.
shot. Here we go. Boom! And miss. Don't care.
You missed by
Okay.
a country mile.
Yep. Goodbye. And there's my strokes.
I've seen the...
He went off the map for a second.
Wait, are you supposed to hit that way?
Oh! Jesus.
Oh, got it! Yeah!
Oh no!
Keep trying.
Oof! There we go. I'm in.
Do you guys ever listen to Christmas music? Or
No.
not as much.
Do I ever want to get castrated? No.
That's alright, it's fine, I understand. You guys are just...
What the? Why'd you land over there?
I don't know. Is this where we're supposed to go?
No, there's something more to it. There has to be.
What about that red... Oh, I see a red flag down there. Oh!
Wait, what?
It's down there!
Oh,
my
my
God.
god!
Dang it. I'm going down.
Why'd I land over here?
Where are you going, guys?
I have no idea. But I found another hole that's much easier to get to, but a little hard to stick.
I saw another hole too.
What? Where?
Look, you see, you got spawn
Yeah?
over here.
Oh!
You have a good chance of getting this too.
Okay.
Where?
All right, just let it roll down. Let it roll down.
I couldn't let it roll down. Just... Oh, crap. Nope.
Oh!
You see that it can catch you?
I don't see how it could catch me yet, because I don't think my mouse is powerful enough.
You can change the settings to make it powerful enough.
Oh my god.
It's going-
Yes!
You're good. You're good.
Yes! Right down the middle.
Dude, watch this.
What?
Guys,
I keep going
guys,
back.
Pride, what do you do?
Where?
What just happened, Pride?
I almost made it to our last hole.
Oh my god.
The hole's up there. The hole's up there.
Screw it, I'll go the other way. Okay, that was terrible. That was terrible.
You have to hit
attempt.
it straight up. You have to hit it. What? Just go hit, and then...
Oh my god, I made it.
Oh, come on!
Except not like that.
I
There
don't
we
even
go.
know how I did it.
Okay.
How? Someone explain how? How is that even possible? I either overshoot it or I miss it by 100 miles. See that?
Almost, you almost had it.
You have to hit it slow.
Yes, finally! Thank
There
you.
you go. Just hit it slowly.
Yeah, it's difficult finding the perfect
Oh.
speed. Oh, we got a ricochet.
Oh, you remember that original hole you guys were trying to
Yee! Wait,
I got a hole in one.
Ju-
Hole in one. Hole in...
I'm sorry, what?
There's a hole in one back there. There was a hole in one back
we know.
Yes, we saw the hole in one, Josh.
there. Yeah.
And I
I
missed it
missed.
again. Wait, did I? I almost. Oh my god! Thank God I didn't reset.
Oh my god.
Thank God I did not reset. So how's it going back there?
Fine. Oh, you mean Pride?
Yeah, I
Pride,
was
right.
talking to him.
Yeah, Pride, how's it going?
How's it going back there, Brian? Oh! It would
Like
have
a
been.
fat chode.
Says the guy with 13 strokes.
Yeah. Wait, there's gotta be. Oh!
Wait, what? I'm sorry, what?
Yes. Got it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, this is gonna be easy. Oh, where do I go? Where do I go? Wait, where do we go?
I have no idea. Do you have
we
to
go
go up the
this way?
hill?
Oh, I know.
Oh my god, I see it. Oh my god, I actually see it.
That's not the only one.
Oh, oh, yeah, you're right. There's multiple.
Yes!
How the
Where did I just hit?
where? I'm sorry, what?
I guess I keep getting the #1 shots, and you guys haven't. Nothing.
Oh,
This must be your lucky day, Josh.
Yeah, usually we wouldn't lose to you.
You guys have to think harder of golf. Sometimes you guys, I'm just saying this. You guys have to think.
Finally.
Thinking hard is not our strong suits.
Oh, it ain't. Okay.
Not necessarily, though.
I see the hole.
Where? What? What?
Is that it? Or is
That
it
can't be
original?
right.
It's a-hole.
Oh,
Hey, it's a-hole.
That ain't gonna work either.
oh! Oh my god!
Oh! No!
Nope.
Dang it.
Ugh.
Is
Okay,
it?
there has to be an easier hole.
Yep, found it. I found the sweet spot. Not telling you.
I found a sweet spot too.
Yeah, nice. Now it's up to you, Josh.
Up there.
Yeah, man. How's it going back there, Joshy?
Going.
He's 10 strokes. He's 10 strokes away.
Come on. Oh, man.
Oh, you guys went for that one? I went for an easier one.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, what the
Jesus.
heck? I just
Are
went
we in
down
Canada? I think it's cold up in here in Canada.
Really? Oh yeah, it probably is. We're in Canada. Oh my.
Okay, forgot about the bridge part.
What?
What the hell, Josh? Where'd you go? Oh, Jesus. Come on.
So what? I did get a few hole-in-ones.
Ooh.
bogey. I'll take
Yeah! Oh, I jumped over it.
How's it going back there, Batugo?
It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine, okay? It's perfectly.
He's like, nope.
It's perfectly
No.
fine. Everything's fine, okay?
You know
it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay? See? It's fine. It's perfectly fine. Guys, it's so much further than you think.
Made it.
Overshot it again. Just like usual. Oh, no.
No.
Oh,
She said.
I we bumped each other.
oh no. Oh, I still made it.
Oh, you did? Oh,
Yeah,
that was
still made it.
Barely, though.
Oh, whatever.
Go up here.
I guess. Wait,
Yeah,
what?
we go up here.
Goodbye? Maybe?
Guys, I found another hole.
You did? Where?
It's the butthole.
Oh, shut up.
I can't even. Okay, hold on. I need to hit it harder. Get it in the
Nope.
hole. What?
I heard that. I heard that bonk.
Dude. Why doesn't it have the toilet bowl?
No, come on.
That could go. Look where I am.
Where the hell are you, Josh?
I'm behind the wood.
Okay, now I'm behind there.
That's something she's never said.
I ran out of strokes.
Yeah, I
I
saw.
think it's up to 12. It's up to 12, I think.
No, I thought it was 15.
It's 15 with the 2-stroke penalty.
Then get it in the hole. I don't even care why. Get it!
I only have 2 strokes left.
I think none of us got it.
I know.
Why?
No.
We're all suffering here.
At least
I'm
we all
loving
are.
it.
Last stroke. Here we go. Yeet!
He makes it in. I swear to God.
Oh,
Almost had
I would
that
have made
one.
you both rage if I made it in that last shot, but I didn't.
Okay, where do we go next?
The next hole, duh.
No, not the next hole.
Oh, that is far!
Whoa! Oh my God, that is far! Yeet! That was a little too far.
Ah, dang it. You gotta really just...
Oh my God!
That's right.
I found a much easier hole! I found something much easier! I think I might have found something much easier. I think.
There!
What?
Don't yeet off the ramp. Instead, chop a little straight down.
Oh my God!
God.
Just a little.
What the heck?
But you gotta get it like at an angle.
Yeah, I know. You're not getting... Get the... It's... There it goes. There it goes. It's
Here
going.
it comes.
I'm
Wait.
gonna make
Maybe if you jump higher.
Oh my God!
What?
Look at me!
Oh yeah, I've been there.
Wait, you're not gonna make it.
I don't think we are gonna make it there either. I really don't think we're gonna make it there.
Oh, I felt like you were, but then it
Oh,
didn't.
am I gonna make it?
Oh, please let me make it. Please let me make it. Please.
I landed right on the
Please. Yes.
Man, I am so glad that went in.
I actually made it in.
I missed you guys.
Oh. Oh, I miss surfing with you too, Josh.
We gotta play golf at most. I mean, we could play golf at most of the time, and I could just watch you guys play Warframe. I don't even care about playing Warframe. Actually, I just.
Yeah, you're in, Pride. You're in. You got this.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
I would have punched you if you jinxed me.
No,
I
it
would have
went.
broke your house, hired hackers
wait.
to figure out where you lived.
Oh my God.
All right.
Guys, there's an easier one right down there. Oh wait.
Oh, you
right
mean
here.
down here? Like last time?
Yeah, the waterfall. You have to do it at an angle.
Just like last time.
Last hole.
Am I gonna make it? Yes, I'm gonna make it.
Yeah.
Yay.
You almost overshot that.
Almost.
Oh. What?
I missed.
We have to hit it. Dong.
Magic orbs? I never seen this trail. I've
It's the
never.
Dragon Ball.
Wait,
It's the
what?
Dragon's balls.
Wait, you got a
Okay,
Dragon
whatever.
Ball?
That actually was so much fun though.
You wanna play another?
I think we should probably play another.
Yeah.
Unless you want to call it today, Pride.
It's 2 against 1.
Okay then.